blessings. It's your day. Sana baby na agad para happy family na kayo. Yun lang, thank you sa invitation.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa and best wishes. Sana maging masaya kayo sa bago niyong buhay. Yun lang.
Congratulations, Kuya Ramil and Jem for your marriage. Jem, nakuha mo na rin yung saranggola mo at Kuya, you found the one. So congratulations once again on behalf of my husband Leo. Best wishes.
Go, message.
Hi Ramil.
Sino ba?
Hi Jem. Come on na.
Congratulations. We are very happy that you're finally getting married. Totohanan na yan.
Yes, congrats bro. Finally, magpapatali ka na. Well, by the time na makita mo itong video na to, kasal na kayo sigurado. So,
baka may anak na kayo.
Okay.
Good luck sa buhay.
Love you.
Andito lang kami para sa inyong dalawa. Hindi mo makakalimutan. Kaibigan pa rin tayo kahit kasal na kayo.
Kuya Ramil and Jem, congratulations, best wishes.
Kuya Ramil, Jem, congratulations and God bless.
This is the beginning of your married life. Wish you all the best. Congratulations! Love, 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 love.
This day marks the occasion of let's start the beginning of your togetherness. I wish you a happy, brilliant, prosperous, and a lifetime of commitment. Congratulations!
Congratulations, Kuya Ramil and Ate Jem. Best wishes.
Hi Kuya Ramil at Jem, welcome sa married life. Sana maging maligaya yung pagsasama niyo forever. Congratulations.
Ate Jem, Kuya Ramil, congratulations. God bless your married life.
Ramil and Jem, congratulations. Marriage is fun, but every day is going to be a new day because you're gonna know each other more. Always remember to speak with kindness and enjoy each other's imperfections, and just make sure that you end the day always thinking for each other.
Hi Jeremy and Kuya Ramil. Congratulations! As you enter your new journey as husband and wife, I pray that your marriage be filled with right ingredients, unconditional love, a touch of romance, a spoonful of understanding, undivided attention to each other, and most especially, faith to our God. Let God be the center of your marriage and all else will follow. We love you both. God bless.
We thank God for using both of you mightily to bless other people. So this is a new journey in your life. We thank you and let your marriage be a glory that will glorify God. Thank you so much and happy marriage.